Welcome to MSCJ Mic'd Up, your one step podcast for health, finance, and everything under the sun. Brought to you by Somaya Vidyavar University. I'm your host, Sakshi Swaroop, and I am joined by Richard Jacob, an animal rescuer and also an engineer. The topic today we will be discussing is from trauma to healing journey of rescue animals. So, very warm welcome to you, Richard. And I would just appreciate you that the work you're doing. I have a huge respect for you because it needs guts to do such things for animals. जिसके लिए people out there जो बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, चाहे वो घर के dogs हो या फिर stray dogs हो. But you just proved that, and I'm really happy that you have came into our podcast, and I request you to give your short introduction to our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you for this opportunity, first of all. And I'm Richard Jacob. I work professionally as a senior software tester. And apart from that, I am an animal rescuer also. And I love to do this job. Till now, I've rescued around 500 plus animals, including dogs, cats, snakes, horse, cow, each and every kind of animals.
Lovely. And so let's start with the questions. I would love, I'm very curious and I really want to know that how it all started. So the very first question I want to ask you that how was this journey for you? I mean, how you started? What was your thought for going into and helping stray animals or any animals?
Definitely, this wasn't journey a planned one because I was a person who had a phobia of animal, each and every animal, and I didn't know that I'll be coming at this place and speaking about this thing because this is an unbelievable story for me also because something had happened in my life which brought this fear into my heart because once it's when I was in 8th standard. That was a moment when I was walking with my friend and बोलते ना एक एरिया के dogs होते हैं and we had that scared story of area का dogs and all. तो हम लोग चल रहे थे एंड अचानक से my friend stopped speaking. So I'm still walking. I thought he was arranging his sandal or something. Then अचानक से I heard a bark. There was a pregnant dog who delivered a baby, newborn babies, and she just did something to protect the baby. And I searched my friend, and he was 10 meter far away from me. I got scared, and it's all a barrack. It's a very small place, so I couldn't run properly. And there's two veranda in between. I tried hiding myself, and that dog bit me very badly on my thighs. So that was a moment I started getting scared of dogs. And till now, at till the age of 24, 25, I had that fear in my heart of dogs. And it was so vigorous that night times I used to call my mom or my uncle, my paternal uncle, maternal uncle, anyone, just to take me from the rickshaw stand because I was so scared. I never used to move away from the rickshaw stand because there were people, and I know people can protect me from dogs and all. So I couldn't walk till my house, just 2 minutes away from that rickshaw stand. I was so scared. One fine day, what happened, I also don't know. That person I saw, and it changed my life. Actually, it one person was my dad. He wanted to have a pet dog always, and I was scared of dog. So he was so stubborn that he wanted a pet dog. He counseled me, he helped me. ये बोला कि कुछ नहीं होगा, it's a small baby, जैसा अपन small baby को लेके आते हैं वैसे ही रहेगा. So I agreed for the same, but still I had that fear because एक baby को लेके आया. I found that baby cute one. So once, because it is a thing like चलो baby है कुछ नहीं कर सकते, we are too big, way bigger than that baby. So वो baby आया, we played with that baby, but later period में when baby becomes 3 months का, they have a biting problem, मतलब
Yeah,
itching,
I know.
teeth itching we say. And that started, and again I got scared. And that dog also bit me very badly, but it was later I realized it was not that baby who was beating me. It was just she was playing around with me, and I pulled my hand, and there was a mark, big mark,
Oh,
and their teeth are very sharp, and that's the reason I again got rid of that fear. that fear again started coming in my heart again. Then एक टाइम आया ऐसा, उसके साथ खेलने लगा मैं, उसके साथ मस्ती करने लगा, एक बॉन्ड बन गया वो डॉग के साथ, अगेन डॉग के साथ, नॉट डॉग्स.
Dogs.
Till then I still have the same image कि stray dogs are very bad, scary, and they just come without reason to bite. But then while taking my dog for a walk, एक दिन मेरे सामने एक आदमी आया, उनका नाम था सुमेश. I used to see him like he's feeding those dogs. So I used to be the same like others. कि हाउ कम एनीवन कैन फीड द स्ट्रे डॉग्स. काट लिया तो क्या करेंगे, क्या होगा ऐसा. आई वॉज वंडरिंग क्या बोलूँ ऐसा इनको. then अचानक से ही सॉ माई डॉग वॉज वेरी क्यूट, मतलब ब्रूटो. सो ही केम टू मी, ही अप्रोच्ड मी, एंड आई सेड आप इनको खाना क्यों खिलाते हो, काटते. ही जस्ट सेड आपने कभी इंटरेक्ट किया उनसे. तो बोल आई सेड नो, एक बार मेरे को कुत्ते ने काटा था, तो मैं तब से, आई वॉज स्मॉल ना, मतलब ज़्यादा उनसे बात नहीं करता था मैं, तो तब से मेरे को डर लगता है वो डॉग से. तो बोलते सब एक जैसे थोड़ी ना होते हैं, एक बार इंटरेक्ट तो करो. एंड ही ब्रॉट वन स्मॉल क्यूट डॉग विद मी, मतलब एज में 1 or 2 years का डॉग, सेम लाइक माइंड. ही वाज सो जॉयफुली प्लेइंग विद माय डॉग. स्टिल आई हैड दैट फियर कि नहीं, नहीं हो
अब
सकता,
नहीं.
नहीं हो सकता. इज कमिंग टू प्ले, वैगिंग हिज क्यूट टेल एंड ऑल. वो बोला नहीं नहीं, डोंट ब्रिंग, रिमूव रिमूव, एंड आई किक्ड बच अचानक से. तो that moment hit me because वो started crying, that baby started
You
crying.
felt bad.
I felt bad कि I shouldn't have done that.
Hmm.
Then that person said कि do you think every human are the same? तो बोला no, not like that. But every dogs are not the same.
Yeah.
Some dogs are doing something because of some reason, like human does. So I said, huh. I started thinking on that. I started thinking vigorously on that. I started watching videos, and I started seeing the joy in that dogs and all. But still, same thing. The fear was there. So that person told me to come with me once. Then I came, I went to feed with that person. I went and अचानक से ठीक है, दूर दूर तक ठीक था, they wagging so cute and all. Then some they become over joyful and they jump. And तभी again I got scared. No, 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 they are jumping, they are biting, they are biting. Then he told me one thing, to put your finger in their mouth.
Mouth.
Then no, I said, no, I won't, I can't put finger. And he said, okay, try once. He's not jumping on you. He's not jumping to attack on you. He's just jumping to play with
He's
you.
lovable. Yeah,
He's
yeah, yeah.
lovable. That is the reason he's coming to. I just put, held my hand and I'm putting my finger, and that dog did not bite.
And I guess that
That
moment just.
moment I felt it is my thinking, my fear, which one dog created by biting, and that
And
too with
you.
a positive cause, just to protect a baby. Maybe some other person might have done something. That is what he said. Some other person might have done something to a baby. यार लेके गया रहेगा, क्यूट दिखा लेगा बोल के लेके गया रहेगा. That was a moment I started, but still fear was there. The first moment I lost my fear completely was उन्होंने मेरे को डॉग पकड़ना सिखाया. We used to give dogs for sterilizing. Sterilizing is a process where we neuter or sterilize that dog so that they cannot deliver any more babies.
Babies.
We take out their womb, we give them to the hospital, an operation करके ठीक करके उनको रिटर्न वही जगह पे लेके आया जाता है. The first dog I caught, I just grabbed her leg and put it in that basket. खत्म. That was a moment, and instantly I looked at him. I believed, my God, pinch me. I can't believe that I have done this. And he said, do the second dog. Like that moment itself, I caught 6 dogs.
At
In,
that moment.
हाँ, that day I had to give 6 dogs. तो मेरे को पूरा उन्होंने दे दिया वो responsibility, and I was so happy. That moment changed my life totally. ठीक है. And then मैं I was called every time to catch rocks after that,
Okay.
because without me they couldn't catch properly. It was that experience that just gave me the strength to know them. I started feeding 10 dogs.
Hmm.
Later it moved on to 15 dogs. Later it moved on to 20 dogs. Later I widened my area and it moved on to 40 dogs. That's area called like Patel Prestige Shankarites, then Patel Planets. That area also I started covering. I realized one thing: these people doesn't need anything. They have so deep love that when you cross that partner, even you don't have any food, you don't have anything, doesn't care. They'll come to seek love.
Yeah, definitely.
That is the best part of that. And somewhat different kind of love. Like they never used to leave only. And they used to bite.
Hmm.
They bite our
The
pants, they
clothes,
bite
yeah.
our body parts just to showcase the way of love. We used to think they are biting, but आपने देखा रहेगा एक डॉग दूसरे डॉग के साथ कैसा खेलता है,
Hmm.
काट काट के ऐसा गुस्से में काट के खेलता है. That is not anger, that is just releasing their energy.
Yeah, they're expressing the love. Yeah.
Love and energy they have to release.
Mm-hmm.
जितना जितना मैं उनके साथ रहने लगा, मैं उनका बॉडी बिहेवियर समझने लगा. द वे ऑफ वैगिंग ईच हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मीनिंग. लोअर वैग रहेगा तो डर के रहेगा, ये रहेगा तो कॉन्शियस बट स्केर्ड टू कम, हैप्पी और ज़्यादा वैग कर रहे विद योर बम, इट इज़ जॉयफुली दे वैगिंग. एंड ऊपर इरेक्ट वैगिंग रहेगा तो इट इज़ क्यूरियस, यू डोंट टच दैट डॉग ऐसा.
Yeah.
सम डॉग्स ऐसा. तो दैट इज काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर वी हैव. बट वॉट फॉर अस, एक डॉग ने बाक किया मतलब दे गुस्से वाला डॉग. It is not like that. Actually, they don't know to speak our language. They just know to bark. That is
Yeah.
what they are doing. And then I slowly started rescuing. My first rescue was a small hole wala dog. That was maggot wound. And my this brother who helped me out come off this, उन्होंने मेरे को सिखाया था कैसे मैगट वुंड छोटा हैंडल करना है. एंड वो मैगट वुंड हैंडल करते करते दैट, जब भी वो पेन में रोते हैं ना, तब यू गेट मोर अटैच टू देम.
Yes,
दैट
yes.
इज अ मोमेंट जब भी तुम रियलाइज करते हो कि शिट, इन लोग इतना पेन ले सकते. एंड उसके अलावा when you don't put medicine and all na, forgetting that pain they'll come to play with you.
Hmm. Yes.
Just imagine the love they have. And I have seen this also. मैंने पहले पहले मास्क लगा के लोगों को ट्रीट करता डॉग को.
To dogs.
हाँ, बट लेटर आई रिमूव द मास्क. वो डर हट गया. बिकॉज एक बार दैट रेस्क्यू करते करते ऐसा अल्टरनेट रेस्क्यू वी अराउंड स्टेरलाइज्ड 100+ dogs in our area. That's the reason there's no more birth in our area. Birth count बढ़ रहा नहीं है. And we helped ABCs also a lot. Animal birth control we had behind Chaya Hospital. That was a story where उनका the main thing, he took me to ABC center. And anyone goes to ABC center, once he's accepted that place, he can go any place.
Hmm.
Because वो place में जाना, there are real cases. You get the cases of rabies one, you get the cases of vigorous distemper one, gastro one. And gastro has a problem, that is smell. जो सबसे पहला जा रहा है गैस्ट्रो के पास, वो जा नहीं सकते. यू गेट अ केस ऑफ मैगेट वुंड वन. आपने देखा रहेगा ऐसा, किसी किसी का स्किन, किसी का ब्रेन दिख रहा है, किसी का बॉडी का
Yeah.
पार्ट्स दिख रहा है ऐसा. आई टेल यू द वन बेस्ट रेस्क्यू आफ्टर दिस. उसका वो स्मेल एक टाइम पे व्हेन दे दैट डॉग यूज्ड टू पास, वी यूज्ड टू वॉमिट, वी यूज्ड टू क्लोज आवर नोज, वी यूज्ड टू स्टे नॉट लुक एट दैट, ऐसा रहता था. बट दैट वो छोटू सा मैगेट वुंड जब मैंने चेंज किया था, स्मॉल स्टिंक वाज कमिंग. एंड दैट we have one thing, agar you get that stink na, even while eating, you washed any how many times you wash,
But you
even
have
when
that smell. Oh, okay.
then you get used to that. That one, what happened was one vigorous case of, we can see the brain.
Hmm.
I
I've
got
seen.
almost 28 to 30 maggots I removed from that wound. And instead of that smell, what my focus was to remove that
To
dog from
heal
that
him.
pain.
Yeah.
And they have a beautiful healing power. If you give 1% also na, that will treat you, they'll self heal themselves.
Yeah, they have that self confidence. Oh, I
Yes.
need a people to, what we say, to help me,
Yes.
and we both together will.
We can do
Huh,
anything. That
yeah,
is
yeah,
that. They just want love, nothing else.
I completely
They
agree.
just want love. They're hungry for love. They just come to you for love. Even if you don't give anything, just give one packet of biscuit. After 6 months, they'll come to you.
They,
I just used to see this in stories and all, but now I saw that personally, and that will hit you definitely. It can change any person who is scared of dogs to one who can rescue any kind of dog. Then I went to that ABC place. I saw all kind of dogs, pregnant baby dog, and other one was rabies wala dog, aggressive dog. Why? There are some cases where there that is genuine one. So that is vigorous one. They can put them to death. They have to check for 10 days. If that within that 10 days that dog dies, it had rabies, I said. Because they rabies still doesn't have any cure. It was like cancer of our times. Now we have cure for cancer, but we are hoping we get any cure for rabies also. And then you found that place you are meant for. That is what I meant for. I was meant to rescue animals,
Hmm.
and I started my journey there. I started my journey rescuing a case from Shivsena Shaka in Chinchpada near. There was a case, a very vigorous case. I'm speechless because of that. It had all the abdominal part coming out. So I was told I'll ride the bike because I don't know to ride bike. So my brother he was riding bike, so he told me to hold this baby, and I'm holding this adult dog. उसका ये हाथ में I had intestines,
Oh God.
and I'm holding like this. ये हाथ में I had intestines. तभी I felt like puking, so I didn't. But because that dog was in so much pain, the dog was alive. Just imagine the intestine coming out, and but that was a heart most paining feeling. Just imagine that pain. I can't imagine. And I took that dog to doctor. The doctor said it's very vigorous case. We'll pray for the dog. We'll try to get it healed. But unfortunately, we were thoda late and it was exposed. That internal organ was so much exposed. Internal bleeding की वजह से उनका death हो गया था. But we didn't lose hope. At least justice तो मिलना चाहिए बोल के. We checked the CCTV. Who was that person who dashed? At least that person checked the word कि dog को कुछ हुआ है कि नहीं. We have one concept. If one met with an accident with a dog, it's okay. It might be that dog came in between and all, but you have to check at least. Looking at that thing and
You're
running
just
away,
ignoring that is not.
it is not a good thing. So we checked that we went and filed an FIR for that car which dashed, and at least we don't know what the justice because justice is served or not because nowadays if you they are not put in jail, they are just left just for 50 rupees they get a bail. That's the
Yeah.
worst part. And just imagine, we tried our best to give that justice to that dog. Then one more rescue came, and that rescue was like a big rescue for me. Again accident case, Tinjad area,
Hmm.
Ambernath Tinjad area. That dog ka jaw was broken into pieces.
The jaw was broken.
uh, Eye popped out and tongue is lying down. That dog does that. We had that thing कि ये dog तो काट भी नहीं सकता. Still that dog was fighting, and that dog was a miraculous dog, I can say. It was the biggest rescue we had, and that dog had that some 10 fractures in the jaw only. They had to put around that what we say rod in jaw
Into
only,
the jaw. Hmm.
so that he can eat properly. We had to feed him for 30 days, and he was very angry kind of dog. Yeah.
He was
But
aggressive.
the energy he had, we gave him 2 doses of anesthesia. The doctor said, and he won't get up. And Achanak say, we are looking at like an undertaker is coming up.
Yeah.
Even doctor got scared. I just gave him a dose of anesthesia and
He was having the strength that
sent to
I
live.
have to be alive.
Then we again, after some time, we had to we put him in that cage. After some time, we have to shift him to Kalyan, Raiboli doctors.
Hmm.
Good,
Yeah, I know him.
that is a very good hospital. So such big major cases we take to Raiboli doctors. So we put him in rickshaw. He was must asleep, man. अचानक से we are not finding this person. किधर गया भाग गया पता नहीं चल रहा है. एंड ईस्ट से वो रोड क्रॉस करके रेलवे ट्रैक में चला गया. वो गटर पास करके उधर चला गया. We all had to go in that gutter for that dog.
Oh,
एनेस्थीसिया दे के आए हो डॉग को, एक आंख नहीं है, उसका जॉ
but
का
still,
हालत खराब है, स्टिल
still he went.
दैट जब भी उसको ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, एंड अगेन वी वांट दैट ट्राइपोली डॉक्टर इसको हल्के में मत लो, ये कभी भी उठ के आ जाता,
Hmm.
एंड ही वाज लाइंग डाउन उधर भी, एनेस्थीसिया दिया नहीं था बट उसका 5 आवर्स तक इफेक्ट रहता
Hmm.
है, एंड 2 आवर्स में वो उठ के बैठ गया.
Okay, so every 2 hours it was like this.
हाँ, जस्ट इमेजिन द वे दैट. तभी वो डॉक्टर बोला कि इसको जीने का बहुत इच्छा है,
Yeah, that's what I told.
इसको जीने का बहुत इच्छा है, ये नहीं जाने वाला है. And then we rescued that dog. We could save that dog. We treated that dog for 10 days. And after 10 days, he got to know. पहले 10 days जब भी ट्रीट कर रहे थे ना, तो he never used to allow us to touch. We used to grab her and उसको मास्क
Put the
लगा के
mask.
पकड़ के उसको इंजेक्शन इंजेक्शन देना पड़ता था. After 10 days, when we used to open that cage ना, to sit there, हमको इंजेक्शन लगाने देता था, ग्रैब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. एक टाइम ऐसा आया कि हम लोग उसको बाहर लेके इंजेक्ट कर रहे थे, इतना उसको पता चला दैट वी आर हियर टू हेल्प हिम,
Hmm.
एंड ही अलाउड अस. जस्ट आई थिंक सो ही हैड दैट फियर ऑफ ह्यूमन, माइट बी वो एक्सीडेंट केस ना हो, या फिर किसी ने मुंह पे मारा हो,
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम लोग के हिसाब से एक्सीडेंट केस था, बट एवरीथिंग वॉज फाइन, जस्ट इज जॉ एंड आई पॉप्ड आउट.
And when the dogs get feared towards a
ह्यूमन
human,
इट इज वेरी.
yeah, they have that trauma that I can't now trust any humans.
यस,
They'll first test कि अच्छा तुम मेरा सच में हेल्प करोगे या नहीं करोगे.
सेम
They'll
केस.
just test and then to get
It is very difficult to gain that trust back.
hmm.
Very difficult in the sense you, it might take, some dogs might take months, some dog might
Yeah.
take years to trust. Just imagine the way, how can they trust? It is we, the human, you abuse such dogs. अभी उसको मारा भी हो सकता है क्योंकि, या फिर गाड़ी फेस पे ठोकना बहुत रेयर है.
या
इतना.
फेस पे अगर
हाँ,
अगर हम किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है तो बॉडी पर होगा. हाउ कम इट्स
हाँ,
पॉसिबल ऑन फेस और आईज एंड ऑल बाहर निकल रहे.
बहुत
दैट इज वेरी
विग्रेस.
या
एंड वी हैव सीन दैट, सामने सामने लोग ने मारा है ऐसा, बहुत विग्रेस में आई पॉप आउट हो रहा है, इतना बेकार मारते लोग. तो दैट इज द मोस्ट. बट आफ्टर दैट डॉग लिव्ड फॉर मोर 7 years ऑलमोस्ट.
मोर 7 years. Is
ओल्डेस्ट
he?
डॉग ऑफ द एरिया. हाँ, नो, नाउ ही डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ एज. एक एज होता है ना उनका,
I
उसकी
feel
वजह.
so sad
बट वो जिया
whenever.
अपना लाइफ,
Yeah.
वो जिया अपना लाइफ, अच्छा खासा लाइफ जिया. वो वांटेड टू लिव दैट लाइफ, एंड अगेन ही गॉट मैगट वुंड, बट इजीली गॉट ट्रीटेड जस्ट विथ वन मेडिसिन. और उसको देना मेडिसिन बहुत बड़ा रिस्क था. वो अपने एरिया में आने के बाद हम लोग को देखता भी नहीं था. आता था हमारे पास, खाता था, टच करने देता था, लेकिन अगर व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू ग्रैब कि ऐसे भी पकड़ने जाता था, गुस्सा करता था.
Aggressive.
गुस्सा नहीं था, डोंट टच मी, बस. वी
So
स्टार्ट
this was something like very
हार्ट.
heartbreaking.
व्हेन
Yeah,
दैट डॉग वेंट ना,
because you are just telling me the story
जस्ट
and you
इमेजिन.
were at that moment. I cannot imagine, seriously, because dealing with such things, that how you're holding a dog, taking to the hospital, you're seeing the internal parts. It's you. वो कहते हैं ना उसे कि हमें हिम्मत चाहिए उस चीज के
हाँ,
लिए.
my mom used to say only selected people can do that.
Yeah, definitely.
My mom used to say that because it is not easy to do that, because when I used to enter the house, they used to be scared only for one thing, that we used to treat many dogs of gastro distempers, and they has to be so much kept far away from other dogs, because if a dog has distemper, that dog has to be kept in isolation department at least 1 kilometer away from other dogs. So my mom used to get scared because we had a pet dog named as Butu. So she loved that dog so much that she used to put him in room. Then I should take bath. Then my clothes should be washed in Dettol and all, hot water and all. उसके बाद ही उसको बाहर निकालता था रूम से.
Yeah.
इतना. So after that time, I started more rescue also. Then that rescue moved on to cat, which is a very difficult to
Again,
catch,
yeah.
very difficult to catch. Then it moved on to cows, horses, and then that journey started in such a beautiful way that even that doctors, they helped us a lot. They gave us such good things, like how to rescue such kind of dogs, what to do when such kind of dogs face such kind of things, and so it started like this.
That again to the same point that you have just told me the story. You have lived at that moment, and as you told that you have came from being scared towards animals, and today
I
it
am
is such a, I mean, it's a
drastic
huge,
change.
yeah, definitely. So what is something that it was a very, what we say, achievement for you, that you thought that ये moment था जो मुझे लगा हाँ मैं satisfied हुआ.
Yes, first achievement, there are many achievements to be honest. First was facing my fear. It is like
Definitely.
it was like a phobia.
Hmm.
It was like a phobia, and I could overcome that is the best part. And now, when the second achievement is like speaking with the dogs, when they bark, when they come running behind us, barking, we should be scared, but we are like, yeah, problem क्या है?
क्या
हाँ,
हुआ
मैंने कुछ
हाँ.
किया देखो. This is a change which I can, for me, it is an achievement. Like after that moment, the second moment, the dog is shant. It is just a conversation we have
We
to
are हाँ.
have.
Yeah.
Well, some things, some quotes are there. Ki some things can be said without speaking any word. Like
Yes.
that it is. They don't understand my language. I don't understand the
Yeah.
language. Language is not at all a barrier.
Definitely.
It is your feeling which you.
The way you are expressing,
Yes.
whether it's a human or whether it's a
Yes,
dog.
maybe some other person might have. I understood that dog ऐवी नहीं करेगा कुछ.
Hmm.
कुछ other people might have drunk people or some people might have done something to that dog. जो चलते जाते मारा रहेगा, इसलिए वो आया रहेगा, तो उनको वाइब फील होता है.
Hmm.
This is what they can sense. They can sense your fear, they can sense your emotion, they can sense everything. If you have fear in you, then they will bite you.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. They sense it.
Easily they can.
Definitely, I
If you
completely.
don't have fear, even the angriest dog won't bite you. That is what
Definitely.
I learned,
Definitely. I completely
because
agree.
learning that thing is also an achievement. And rescuing this case, it was a big achievement for me because many people invested money. Around we spent around 75,000 on that particular dog. That jaw wala,
Jaw. Yeah.
हाँ, that because that operation was too uh, major
Hmm.
operations, because eye popped out, this one, and hand भी गया था एक थोड़ा ऐसा, तो सब कुछ तो. एंड many people invested on that dog. एक स्टेटस डालने पे लोगों ने ट्रस्ट किया that we are doing genuine case, and we used to never put proper that vigorous face and all. We used to
Hmm.
blur that,
Blur the
and we used to
image.
say if you have any doubt, you can, I can send you that photo in personal, because some people this would be censored one, or
Hmm.
some people it would be disturbing images for them. So people trusted. Some gave donation of 15,000, some 25, some 5,000, some 100, some 2,000. Used to accept, and we got a bulk amount of 75,000, and we gave a clear sheet on the status itself.
To them.
We put what all bill were there, what all charges
To
were
the
there.
each people who have.
हाँ,
Uh,
directly we have to upload in status, clean, transparency के लिए. And from that moment, people started trusting us blindly.
yeah, because people, human needs that trust that हमारे पैसे कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
Definitely, people need that trust first, and if you don't have trust, then ये तो possible ही नहीं है ये
Yeah.
चीज़ करना.
And the very important question I want to ask you that what is your suggestion that अगर हमें कोई हमारे खुद के डॉग या फिर स्ट्रे डॉग, तो हमें गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में मतलब जाने चाहिए इस चीज़ के लिए फॉर द केयर, या फिर प्राइवेट इज गुड? बिकॉज द रीजन आई एम आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन इज आई हैव सॉ मैनी रील्स, मैनी पोस्ट दैट पीपल आर सेइंग कि आपको गवर्नमेंट में नहीं जाना चाहिए बिकॉज मेडिसिन लास्ट मोमेंट पे वहाँ अवेलेबल नहीं होते.
नहीं होते.
बहुत से डॉग्स, कैट्स, बहुत एनिमल्स जिनका डेथ हो चुका है बिकॉज ऑफ मेडिसिन नहीं अवेलेबल. दे पीपल गो टू अनदर प्लेस टू टेक द मेडिसिन. उस वक्त में what will be the dog or any animal can do, whereas you are going to private hospital, उनके पास available होते हैं medicine. So what is your suggestion on this?
It's like normal human.
Hmm.
What we do, some people who don't have money at all, they don't have any other option like government hospital,
Yeah.
so they, once the stray dogs, if you have a pet dog, stray dog, people will definitely go to government hospital only, because उनको पता है stray dogs as a capability, our Indian stray dogs, indie dogs,
Yeah,
they have much more capability than breed dogs.
definitely, completely
So
agree.
they don't care about, they give vaccine, they take them to that government hospital, they get vaccine over there also. And the thing is, why people are scared of government hospital, there are lack of facilities.
Hmm.
It's not people who are bad, there are facilities who are bad, which an area is not good for that particular dog. If you have seen many cases वहाँ पे रेबीज के होते हैं,
हाँ.
डिस्टेम्पर के भी होते हैं, they don't have any other option other than accept him because they also doing for good cause. I know dogs जैसे गैस्ट्रो जो है उनको आइसोलेशन दिया जाता है, बट इतना सा जगह है लाइक दिस रूम और दिस हाउस और दिस बिल्डिंग, इतने 1 किलोमीटर में कैसे जगह देंगे, नहीं हो सकता. दैट माइट बी द मेन रीजन, पीपल को अंदर डर रहेगा
डर.
कि हाँ मेरे डॉग को भी वो डिस्टेम्पर हो सकता है, वैक्सीन
Yeah.
लगाने के बाद भी रेबीज हो सकता है. हाँ, this is a thinking. If you are and have anti-rabies,
हाँ.
but you're bit by rabies dog, then you have to
Yeah,
give
yeah, yeah.
again
I got it. Okay.
anti-rabies vaccine almost 5 times
5.
again,
Yes.
because some people have this thinking कि मेरे डॉग के पास वैक्सीन है तो
तो
रेबीज डॉग
नहीं
काटा,
लेंगे तो
नथिंग,
चलेगा.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. इट इज अ प्रिवेंशन टू दैट. if there's a
Got it.
minor bite or something, it can fight, but not sure it will fight or not. There's a case like this. We had one dog called as Bravo.
Hmm.
शंकराइट्स का शेर बोलते थे उसको. It was such a healthy dog. What happened was we rescued that dog. That was very breaking story because it was so healthy and loving dog. Even they have love. This is a magical story. I'll tell you. What happened is, it was very strong and brave dog. We used to rescue people also. When कोई और डॉग आके ह्यूमन के पीछे भागता
Hmm.
है, ही यूज्ड टू डोमिनेट दैट डॉग. मस्त बल्कि कोई उसके सामने आता ही नहीं था, एक बाग में वो चले जाता था
Everyone
पीछे.
used to get scared.
स्केर्ड, हाँ, ही यूज्ड टू सेव पीपल. तो संक्रांत का सब लोग उसको बहुत प्यार करते थे. एवरीवन यूज्ड टू फीड देम. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ उसको ब्रावो बुलाया आ जाता है. डीप स्लीप में दे लुक एट यू, कोई भी ब्रावो
Oh.
बुलाए. इट वाज लाइक उनको नेम दिया गया है ऐसा. There was owner of this Shankarites, Lakshmi Kamal Group, Manoj Jadhav sir. So he used to take a lot of care for them. And अचानक से this people mating period, we have maximum dogs fighting with each other.
Every time, yeah.
Some and our area is from that mountain areas,
हाँ.
and most of the rabies case can come from there only. Because when a dog is affected by rabies, it migrate. कोई भी डॉग अगर पेन में रहा ना, अनबेरेबल पेन
Hmm.
या फिर अननोइंग सिचुएशंस ऐसा कोई रहा ना, the dog's first do is move that place, move from that place.
Hmm.
It finds a solution in displacing themselves from their area to another
Another
territory.
place. Hmm.
Because even the other dogs doesn't touch. ऐसे डॉग्स जो भी इन्फेक्टेड रहते हैं ना,
Hmm.
उनको काटते नहीं है. यू माइट हैव सीन ऑल्सो, एक ऐसा डॉग अकेले जा रहा है, रैंडम नॉर्मल डॉग रहेगा, सब डॉग उसको अटैक करेगा. बस एक ऐसा डॉग रहेगा जो नॉर्मल नहीं लग रहा है, अब नॉर्मल लग रहा है, बट कोई डॉग उसको बाक करेगा, अटैक नहीं करता, काटता नहीं है.
Yeah, yeah, completely
बिकॉज
agree.
उनको सेंस होता है कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है ये डॉग
Definitely.
में, एंड दे आर वेरी क्लेवर इन दैट थिंग. सो वैसा आई थिंक सो कोई चीज़ में फाइट होके तो 2-3 डॉग से फाइट करके रेबीज इन्फेक्ट हुआ वो डॉग. एंड वो इंजरी हम लोग ट्रीट करते वक्त हम लोग से भी मिस आउट हो गया. वी वो अबाउट टू गिव एंटी रेबीज, बट उसका टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई था. एंड एंटी रेबीज अगर यू आर गिविंग विद टेम्परेचर हाई,
Hmm.
वो नहीं चलता एज पर द डॉक्टर. वो माइट एक्ट एज अ गुड वाइब, तो मतलब चल भी सकता है, नहीं भी चल सकता है. तो वी वेटेड फॉर द टेम्परेचर कम डाउन. तो उसको कुछ और इशू भी हुआ था जिसकी वजह से वो टेम्परेचर कम ही नहीं हो रहा था, तो वी कुडंट गिव रेबीज. तो इट
Okay.
मिस्ड आउट. एंटी रेबीज तो हम लोग सोचा थोड़ा हील होने के बाद देते, बट 5 to 7 days में इट वॉज इन्फेक्टेड बाई रेबीज.
Okay, because you cannot give the rabies.
नहीं
He
तभी नहीं
was
दे
ill.
सकते.
Yeah.
बिकॉज ऑफ द टेम्परेचर वी
Temperature.
कुडंट गिव.
Yeah, yeah.
एंड वो जब रिएक्ट करने लगा, उसके अंदर हार्मोन इशू चालू हो गए. जैसे इट स्टार्टेड बाइटिंग पीपल, एंड एक बेबी के पीछे बहुत बेकार भाग रहा था. बट इतना इंस्टिंक्ट था कि उनका न्यूरोलॉजिकल इशू होता है,
हम्म,
नर्व से खेलता है वो रेबीज का वायरस। ह्यूमन को भी ह्यूमन को रेबीज हो गया तो नर्व के साथ ही खेलता है।
हाँ
इट
हाँ
एक्ट्स as a dog,
डॉग
human acts as a dog,
यस
they start barking, that is ऐसा punching जिसकी वजह से वो bark हो जाता है, they make noise, वो bark नहीं होता एक्चुअली, वो कंसेप्ट ऐसा रहता है कि वो नर्व को ऐसा पंप करता है, दैट वायरस,
वायरस
वो ब्लड को ऐसा करता है कि वायरस पंप करता है जिसकी वजह से वो ह्यूमन हिट करने लगता है अपना बॉडी, ऐसा ऐसा एक्ट करने लगता है, एंड दे स्टार्ट बाइटिंग ऑल्सो उसके वजह से, जो ऐसा रिएक्ट करने लगता
या
है।
हाँ आई सॉ द
दैट इज अ थिंग
वीडियोस
एंड दे गेट स्केर्ड ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज अ
या आई सॉ
हाइड्रोफोबिया।
मेनी वीडियोस वेयर पीपल इज गेटिंग स्केयर ऑफ
वाटर
वाटर्स
हाइड्रोफोबिया बोलते हैं उसको,
हाँ
जो रेबीज इन्फेक्ट होने के बाद होता है। सेम गोज विद डॉग, दे डोंट ड्रिंक वाटर।
या यस
हाइड्रोफोबिया हो गया मतलब उनको रेबीज हो चुका है। तो वैसा वो डॉग को रेबीज हो गया था, एंड वो सब पे उसका खुद के ओनर पे काट दिया, खुद के ओनर को।
अच्छा
उसके बाद वो लिख किया बिकॉज उसको इतना समझा शिट मैंने क्या कर दिया, बट उसका इंस्टिंक्ट ऐसा था कि वो काट दिया गलती से।
या
देन वो और पागल होने बेटा, मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ खराब हो गया और पागल हो गया, और वी स्टार्टेड सेइंग पीपल टू स्टे अलर्ट फ्रॉम दैट डॉग। बट शाम तक इतना केस हुआ कि कोई भी लोग उसका आसपास जाने नहीं मिल रहा है। तो बट ऑब्वियस उनको एक्शन में मारने मारने में दैट डॉग डाइड, बिकॉज वो उठ के सब डॉग्स को काट रहा है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी रिस्की, एक डॉग को काटा दूसरे डॉग को काटा दूसरे
हाँ
भागा भागा भागा, ये सबको फैल सकता है वो रेबीज। एंड मेनली बच्चे लोग को। एंड रेबीज डॉग का एक चीज़ है, अगर उन्होंने काटा ना बहुत विगरस काटता है,
यस
नॉर्मल नहीं काटते, इट इज लाइक आपका ले लेंगे मांस आराम से, इतना विगरस, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर नॉट इन द स्टेट ऑफ द
हाउ टू
अर्लीस्ट स्टेज, नो इट इज लास्ट स्टेज आया, वो काटने लगे मतलब ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ रेबीज है, 10 days में उनका डेथ हो जाएगा। तो we had to call someone, they had to take care of that case, and they took that dog and died.
Yeah, because I also had the word where my dog Harry, जो is German Shepherd. So I asked you that मेरे डॉग को काटा है एक स्ट्रे डॉग ने, एंड मेरे हैरी ने मतलब मेरे डॉग ने पूरे वैक्सीन लिए हैं. So is it necessary, Richard, to take the vaccine? And thanks to you that you told me that yes, it is necessary. Go and
It
go
is
to vet
butter.
and take injections.
Yes, because it might be the reason like your dog is still alive, because that is the reason. Otherwise, what happen is रेबीज का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, कभी
Hmm.
भी हो सकता है, एंड जो वैक्सीन लेके वो डॉग को भी रेबीज हो सकता है।
Yeah, because we have that certain thought that हमारे डॉग को इंजेक्शन दे दिया तो क्या जरूरत है दूसरे इंजेक्शन की.
हाँ, इट इज एवरी टाइम, इट शुड बी नोन टू एवरी पीपल, लाइक कोई भी डॉग को वैक्सीन दिया जाए, बट फिर भी उसे वैक्सीन देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज वो रेबीज इन्फेक्टेड डॉग रहेगा तो फिर से उसे रेबीज हो सकता है इन स्पाइट ऑफ गिविंग वैक्सीन।
एंड द वेरी वेरी हार्श थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क यू दैट जो हमारे बीच हमेशा होता रहता है दैट डॉग्स के साथ सेक्सुअल अब्यूज. नॉट ओनली डॉग्स, इट इज डॉग, कैट, गोट, काउ, जिनकी पूजा करते हैं लोग. पीपल से दैट गाय गाय माता की पूजा करनी चाहिए हमें. वी हैड सर्टेन रिस्पेक्ट, बट उनके साथ भी सेक्सुअल अब्यूज होता है.
डेफिनेटली।
एंड मॉनिटर लिजार्ड, तो उनके साथ भी उसके साथ भी हुआ है.
दिस इज समथिंग वन पर्सन कैन गियर, बिकॉज
हम्म,
अब्यूज तो सुना था, मारना ये ना, बट
या
सेक्सुअल
सेक्स
अब्यूज
दैट
उनके
इज.
साथ हो रहा है, विच इज वेरी बैड। एंड यू सेड डॉग, काउ, गौ माता, इवन देर आर सम मंदिर जहाँ पे डॉग्स को भी रखा
यस
जाता
यस
है एज अ स्टैचू वहाँ पे बाहर गेट की
यस.
तरफ। जस्ट इमेजिन वो एनिमल्स के साथ कोई गलत कैसे कर सकता है, this is not at all acceptable, and my view for that is it should not happen, and strict action should be taken against this thing, जैसे ह्यूमन के है वैसे ही strict action should be taken, because no one can imagine a dog getting raped by a person, a cow getting raped by a person, a cow, any kind of abuse, mental abuse, physical abuse, all kind of abuse is happening. Some
या
people are just bursting crackers
क्रैकर्स.
on their bum. Some people are tying some on their main part, crackers on the main part. Some people are putting beer bottles over that. This is also
यस
a
यस.
kind of sexual abuse which they are facing. This should not happen actually.
I saw some videos where people are feeding them alcohol.
It is equal to poisoning them.
Yeah, how they उनको कैसे पता चलेगा दैट oh no this is something I should not take into my body?
That is taking advantage of love, because they
Exactly.
are so in love with humans that they trust them, and they do. And what people do is to capture video and make that video viral. Still no action is going on. You can see all that videos are viral, around
Yeah,
100K views and all,
millions,
but
millions.
any action
There's
taken?
no
No.
action. You're talking about taking the action towards humans, whether it's rape, everything. But जब हमारे कंट्री में, हमारे पूरे कंट्री में जब हमारे गर्ल्स के साथ, पूरे वुमेन्स के साथ कुछ भी जस्टिस नहीं हो रहा है, तो हम एनिमल्स के बारे में सोचे ही क्या?
We can't expect anything from them also,
या
for
फाइन दे
animals.
रहे 50 रुपीज, सो हाउ
What
कैन वी
is that? Is
एक्सपेक्ट
just a
समथिंग
simple fine. Watch, nowadays 50 rupees तो हम लोग ऐसे ही spend कर
विद इन
लेते हैं,
सेकेंड्स?
within seconds spend हो जाता है.
And very, very important thing that what is that few things you would suggest to me and all the audience that हमें कुछ चीज़ें रखनी चाहिए हमारे साथ, अगर आपकी इच्छा हो तो आप हेल्प करो, वरना ना करो। अगर हेल्प करना है तो हम क्या सारी चीज़ें रख सकते हैं हमारे साथ टू हेल्प द स्ट्रे डॉग्स
Best, I
एनिमल्स?
would say, helping isn't like not harming.
हम्म।
ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा हेल्प है डॉग्स के लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डोंट हार्म. इफ यू हैव फियर द डॉग इज कमिंग, स्टैंड स्टिल, डोंट रिएक्ट. कोई भी डॉग्स विदाउट वजह काटता नहीं है.
या
एंड अगर तुम्हारे अंदर वो फियर है तो इट्स ओके. इवन मैं भी वो फियर से खुद निकल के बाहर आया हूँ, अदरवाइज मेरे से भी नहीं होता था ये चीज़, मेरे को खुद को नहीं पता चलता था. Second thing, if you don't want to help any dog, don't want to feed any dog, don't harm any dog. Don't treat that dog as ये stray है, गंदा है. Everyone, there are human also जो stray है. We don't treat them bad. Some are there who treat human also bad. Same way, treat it as a creation of God, I believe. Treat it as a creation of God. God ने without reason नहीं बनाया रहेगा.
there's
There, everything is balanced well by that creator.
creator definitely.
Everything. If you are trying to kill all the dogs, there will be some
Some dogs,
consequences.
yeah, yeah.
Dogs चले गए,
चले।
thieves बढ़ जाएंगे. Everything is balanced, so we don't have to do anything. Only thing is, if you want to help any dog, injured dog, but obvious कोई भी human भी injured रहेगा, आप पकड़ोगे उनको तो harm होगा ही आपको भी. Instead, do one thing. Take some sprays are there. जैसे if you have one, एक सड़ा हुआ कुत्ता दिख रहा है, उनको एक डीमैक करके स्प्रे आता है, दैट इज प्रिस्क्राइब बाय डॉक्टर. यू कैन कंसल्ट एनी डॉक्टर, एनी एनिमल वेलफेयर पर्सन. यू कैन सी किसके पास किसका कांटेक्ट रहता ही है, कांटेक्ट करो, उनसे पूछो क्या करना है, या फिर बेस्ट इट टू consult a doctor. And all the doctors helps when you are helping a dog. That is true. एनी डॉक्टर विल हेल्प यू ऑन कॉल ऑल्सो, कि उनको लेके मत आओ, चलेगा, आपके को नहीं हेल्प करना है, आप उनको ये दे सकते हो, ये कर सकते हो, उनको फोटो भेजो, ये कर सकते हो. बेस्ट इज दैट. आउट ऑफ द वे तुम लोग हेल्प कर सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाट आई
या
बिलीव.
बिकॉज अगर आपकी इच्छा नहीं हो तो आप मत हेल्प
मत
करो,
करो.
बिकॉज इफ यू कांट लव देम प्लीज डोंट हार्म देम. इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन हु इज वाचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट.
Done. Just share a picture with your dog friend.
या
Just as you did that time. You shared a picture, I rescued that dog. Khatam.
या
You didn't have that much feeling for dogs that time, I think so. You were scared of dogs or things so. To like the same way like she did. Just share a picture with your friend and who loves dogs and all. They can rescue. That is the only thing you have to do. Even you are part of that rescue then.
yeah. Thank you so much, and a huge thank you for coming to the podcast and giving a lot of information regarding how to help the rescue animals and your beautiful journey. It was so, I mean, I was not aware that आप पहले डरते थे डॉग से, and then now it has been a huge change. So wonderful, and good luck to you. And one last thing, I would request that can you just say something to our listeners? Anything you want to say?
See, I got changed because of the love I experienced from that dog. Any kind of animal. Each and every animal, even the cow, we take it, we get scared, tam bulky animal. But just try to love that dog. A cow, dog, any animal, you'll definitely receive love, not harm. That I can guarantee you. Just check properly and go showcase your vibes is good for that dog or that animal. They will experience your vibe and they will help you out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching MSCJ podcast. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes.